Automatic snapping feature is present in Google Slides so that it's easy for us to align objects. So in order to see that in action, I'm just going to drag out all the objects right here and keep it on the bottom left-hand corner for a moment. So I'm going to, let's say for example, align the object right at the center. So in order to do that, I'm just going to select out this object, click and drag it, and you can see that right when I reach the center, a line appears and it snaps. That means we are on the center horizontally. If I were to click and drag it further below right here, you can see that another line appears, denoting that the object is right in the center. So if I were to leave it, you can see that the object is now right at the center of the slide. Let's say I want to align the object right over here. Click and drag it out just like this. You can see that it snaps it out right there. Let me just drag it down, and let's say this is the distance I want. I'm going to drag the object right here, and you can see that it snaps. But if I were to go over here, you can see that another bit of line appears on this side. You can see that another bit of line appears that side, denoting that the space between those objects are equally the same. So you want to align, let's say for example, multiple objects together with similar amount of space. You can use this feature as well. I'm going to do the same right here. So I'm just going to drag and line it right on the center just like this. And let's say I want to keep it somewhere over here. So what I can do is I can click and drag this out and drag it here. So I want it around the same space. You can see that the blue line appears. And if I were to leave that out, now you can see that it's equally apart from all of the sides. And that is how you can use the automatic snapping feature inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.